active case jong COVID apoka state Meghalaya kejongi. Kibala jam baru ke long arpun rengut. Those are already recovered. There are 26 of them. Then the total must be knowing it was 44 and 1 death. Then now those number of samples sent for testing till 15 June, 14,147, 14,147. Kiba lafa banle nakabanta ki sampul napta testing ki long khatsau hajar si spa sa punyo. Nang tade kiba la tested negative ki long khalai hajar lai spa lai. Those who are tested negative, there are 13,303. So we are waiting for the result till today. The result awaited. There are 800 samples which are sent and waiting for the result and report to come. Kita kiblawan 5, Meghalaya, nampak state paper, hadu mentagasi kilong khatsan hajar sauspa san busau.
Ngapan ken mau biang ya ke tuko order ke ban nakaliang ke government ke notification ke pengi issue ka kendai terik. Ba ka reopening of lani ke jingple ye ke yeng mane lani ke jaka ban mane blay. Hakeleng saudong ke jela ngi dang khang hadu ban pentip dak muai pat dan rai hada hadin badon bun ki jingkerpat. Na ki jaj niam ki baper hakabedai bat ka jingsha ba kin perform lani bakin le niam le rukom ya kaya tho shongkurim go jongki halaki jong ki yeng leni ki jaka manible kumta menta ka janmit na kalian go jong ka sorkar ngila sya ya kata bat kitu ki bakwa ban le kumta kin sngau ba ban apply sya ki district administration lani deputy commissioners kenang bakin yo ya ka permission waipat kebenta kami discuss the order agenda that we discuss today is relating to again reopening of hotels and then homestays, restaurants and then tourist spot. Today the government has decided to direct to all the deputy commissioners with the concerned department to start having a close consultation up to the village level.